Namaskar. How are you? Can you see me? But I cannot. I am your friend Aditya. और इससे पहले कि हम आगे कुछ बात करना शुरू करें, चलो साथ मिलकर एक नाटक देखते हैं. We all can.
Hello miss.
Hello sir, what can I do for you?
Can you stitch a button on my shirt?
Stitch a button on your shirt? I'm a doctor, I'm not a tailor.
So who can stitch a button on my shirt?
Go to Tikku tailor, he will stitch button on your shirt.
So what can you do?
I can do your operation, do you want me to do that?
No. Papa.
You again, now what can I do for you?
Can I sing a song for you?
No, you cannot. This is a hospital, you are not allowed to sing here.
So can I go and sing in the jungle?
Yes, you can. You know what? You better be in jungle only.
कितना फनी नाटक था. चलो अभी वापस चलते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा और मजा करते हुए. जंगल के रास्ते से चलते हैं. अरे देखो वहां कौन बातें कर रहा है.
Hello little champ, do you want some fresh leaves? Oh, but they are on the tall tree. I cannot eat them. I can eat the grass. Oh champ, I can pluck leaves. How much do you want? Thank you, Lambu Bahna. You are welcome, my Golu Molu. Can you run fast? Of course I can. मेरे जितना fast? Yes, I can run as fast as you can. Then who can run the fastest? एकदम सबसे तेज कौन भागता है? I think चंदू चीता. Last year ओलंपिक में उसने हीना हिरन को हराया था. Who can take the long jump? There is a competition between Lallu leopard and Kanu kangaroo. They both can jump. मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि चंदू को मैं हरा दूं. Oh yes, you can try. Now eat leaves and let's leave from here.
आओ चलते हैं अब हमारे क्लास में. और अगर आपने ये सारी बातें ठीक से सुनी होगी तो क्लास में आपको और मजा आएगा. देखते हैं. ये तो हमने देख लिया कि आप रोल प्ले तो बढ़िया कर सकते हो. और क्या क्या कर सकते हो?
अरे सर आप बोल कर तो देखिए, आपके लिए तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
अरे हाँ शशिभा, एक बार बोल करेंगे, हम कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार है आपके लिए.
अच्छा तो ये बात है. ओके देन गिव मी अ पेन.
Sir.
Thank you. Now give me a bag.
Why not sir?
Can you give me a bench?
A bench? It is too heavy. I can't give you a bench. I can give you a bag. I can give you a pen. But bench, it's too heavy.
सर इससे क्या पूछ रहे हैं? मुझसे पूछे ना. आप मुझसे पूछो, मैं कुछ भी देने के लिए तैयार हूँ आपको. सिवाय करके है कर देखिए मुझे.
ओके मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. कैन यू हैव दिस चॉकलेट?
Why not sir? You have one more?
No, I don't have any more chocolate, but I have this Karela. Do you want it?
No sir, it's so bitter, I can't eat it.
Can you eat Karela?
No, it's too bitter.
Yes, I can.
Can you? Okay. अरे बाप रे, ये तो करेला भी खा सकता है. I think. अरे he can eat imli also. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Wow, sir. Can you eat imli?
No, for me it is too khatta. But this person can eat imli.
Nice. Sir, can I give you one suggestion?
Yes, you can.
Who can do like this?
Chalo, let's try.
Try.
Oh, it's too difficult.
But
Can we try another one?
You sure? You can.
Who can touch their tongue to their nose?
He can.
Okay, do it. Many of you could not do this, right? Now let me try. I also cannot. Okay, I have another idea. Can we do this? Touch your elbow with your tongue. Can you? Everybody can try.
Sir, I
Oh,
can't
I
do this.
almost touched, but I cannot touch my elbow with my tongue.
No, sir, I also can't do this.
मजा आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Can we play one more game?
Yes, sir.
1 minute game.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now who can do this? Please try. Yes, you can. You can. Go on doing practice. Everybody can. प्रैक्टिस करने पड़ेगी तभी आ जाएगा. You can, but you require practice. Okay, now you two, please come forward. Can you read this?
I cannot read this sentence.
You already have read it.
ओ सर, आप कितना परेशान करते हो.
हाँ, इसलिए मजा आता है सर.
सर, अब मैं आपको एक चिट देती हूँ, आप वो पढ़कर बताओ उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है.
You can go now.
चलो.
अरे
बाय बाय सर.
इन सारी बातों के बाद इन प्रश्नों का जवाब देना आपके लिए बहुत सरल होगा. कैन बाबू भाई कट हेयर?
Yes, he can. He is a barber.
कैन खीरू जंप ऑन द ट्री?
No, he cannot. He is a rabbit. He can jump on the ground.
Who can give medicines?
A doctor can give medicines.
Who cannot eat karela?
Ha ha ha. The teacher cannot eat Karela.
Quiz time. Who can have leaves from tall trees? Well, after all these things, what can I say to you? Bye bye.